Hi, Lila.
It's nap time, baby. Why are you still awake? No smiling. Okay, it's time to go to sleep, baby. I think this music's a little too fast for nap time. I'm gonna turn it down. It's nap time, baby. How come you're still up and fake coughing? I heard your fake coughs. You're trying to avoid nap time. Well, you gotta go to sleep so you can be awake when mom gets home, okay? Okay. Night, baby. What do you want? I hear mom coming home. You're not sleeping yet. I hear mom coming home and you're not sleeping yet. She's coming in the door. You better go to sleep. She's gonna find out you didn't go to sleep today. No naps today. Uh-oh. I hear the front door opening. You better go to sleep. You got 2 seconds to close your eyes. Are you sleeping yet? Mom's home and Lila didn't take a nap yet.
You didn't take a nap?
She skipped her whole nap.
Oh no!
Ah, busted!
Who didn't take a nap?
So happy.
Who didn't take a nap?